The basics for any language is pronunciation, how you say the words. See, I am from a country that speaks Spanish, and I came here to learn English when I was young. I was 15 years old. If I had been here when I was much younger, maybe 7 years old, I would not have an accent whatsoever. However, it's always important to know or to learn to pronounce the words so that people can understand you. So what I'm saying is, you will probably have an accent through the years, depending on how old you are or how good you learn the language. But I'm going to show you techniques so that you can speak Spanish correctly, as close as possible to the exact pronunciation that we should do. Let's start with pronunciation, the pronunciation of the vowels. It's important. Now, I want to explain something that's going to be a trick and a tip that's going to make you say the words in Spanish correctly, because I see a lot of mistakes when people speak Spanish. In the English language, we have vowels that change from one sound to another sound. Like, for instance, when I say I as me, I, there is a change in the sound from I. In Spanish, you will only have one sound per vowel. So it's going to be really easy. So A, E, O, U. Do you see that? It's only one sound per vowel. So A, it's A, A, A. E, E, E. I, E, E, E. O, O, O. U, or you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Again, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. One sound. It's not A, it's not A, it's A. It's not A, it's A. E, I, O, U. Let's practice that. Casa. It means house. Casa, casa. Queso, queso. O. Queso means cheese. Imán, imán. Imán means magnet. Oso, oso. Oso means bear, like a bear. Puma, puma, puma. Ua. Casa, a. Queso, o. Imán, ia. Oso, bear. Puma, puma. Ua. A, I, O, U. A, one sound. One sound. I, one sound. O, U. Never say A or I or O or U. A, E, I, O, U. Those have different sounds within the vowel. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So, go to the next lesson.